What if your problem employee is not a problem at all, but an opportunity to lead differently? The cycle repeats. Same person, same warning, same meeting, same outcome. They seem checked out, disconnected, doing the bare minimum. So we label it attitude or resistance. It is not laziness, it is a signal. Meanwhile, morale drops, productivity suffers, turnover rises, and HR documents more than it develops. Introducing the ReEngagement Blueprint. 3 steps to reignite disengaged staff, reduce turnover, and build productive teams. Step 1. Diagnose the real problem. Many so-called attitude issues come from confusion and fatigue. Expectations are fuzzy, communication is weak, meaning is low. Attitude often equals exhaustion, resistance often equals disconnection. Step 2. Reframe with clarity. Define success, priorities, and the why. Watch energy lift, accountability. Shift from surveillance to standards. Feedback becomes a tool and output steadies. Recognition. Catch wins in the moment. Reinforce the right behaviors. Morale and momentum rise. Empowerment. Equip people to own solutions and lead micro-projects. Confidence grows. Step 3. Rebuild into a contributor. Turn struggle into progress. The quiet quitter starts engaging, showing up in stand-ups, adding ideas, taking ownership. Trust rises, productivity steadies. The repeat offender becomes coachable. The disconnected becomes motivated, connected, productive. HR shifts from documenting to developing, and leaders lead people, not just policies. Sometimes the nearly terminated becomes the teammate who mentors others and helps the team win. This is bigger than compliance. It reduces turnover, increases productivity, and builds ownership. Stop firing your problem employees. Start transforming them. Get the ReEngagement Blueprint today.